Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to Malaysian language in the Carlist.my app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app. On the bottom in the menu bar, you can see the last one, the profile. You have to tap on profile. And the third option is the language. You tap on the language and select the Malaysian language. Tap on OK. And the whole app is changed to Malaysian language. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.